People ask me all the time why I became an immigration attorney, and it's real simple. I first got involved in immigration law over 10 years ago on a personal level, before I even became an attorney, when I married my wife, who happens to be from the Czech Republic. We met in college, and when she graduated, she told me that she had to leave because she wasn't a student anymore, so that meant her visa was no longer valid. At the time, I had no idea what a visa was other than a credit card. So I proposed, she said yes, and after we got married, we started the process on our own, but it was so overwhelming that we ended up hiring a lawyer at the end of our process, and I'm really glad that we did. When our case was approved, I will never forget how happy she was. She could now stay in the US permanently, start a family, and pursue her own American dream. She didn't win any money like she would in a traditional lawsuit, but she won something that has far greater value in my opinion. And now I try to treat each and every case as if it were my own, because I really do understand what my clients are going through.